everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal if you are new, and if you are new, I'm a big project planner, but I also love to get good deals, and I do have my project plan ending on March 25th, so if you are interested, I hope you will consider subscribing and seeing how I've done throughout the whole year, and I am going to keep doing this. I'm going to start my new one after March 25th, of course, but I kept everything from the whole year that I've used up for makeup. Super excited to go through that and show that all to you. But today I bought some items a while ago from Marshall's. I do have a video. If you want to go ahead and see that, that would be wonderful. But I have these here. This is from Burts Bees. And I have some products here from Dr. Paw Paw. And I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of test what they look like on my lips, like the tints, because there's 3 different colors for the Burts Bees, and then I have 3 different colors for the Dr. Paw Paw. Interested in seeing how these products look on the lips, and I will let you know how they feel. Just keep on watching. The first products I'm just going to tell you about is the Burts Bees. I have the Pink Blossom, Rose, and Sweet Violet. So these are 3 lip balms, and so to show you the packaging here, it doesn't say too much about them on the back of the package. So I just thought I'd go ahead and just test them out for you guys. So these are the colors here. So the first one here that I'm going to show you is called Rose. So I'll go real close, and so this is what I'm assuming the color would look like. So I'm just going to open this up here and go ahead and look. And of course, stickers always stick on me. Okay, so if I take it off, this is what it looks like. So it looks like a really pretty color. So I'm just going to go ahead and try it. Okay, so that is what it looks like, and it does look like you have to be a little careful around, so it doesn't go outside of your lips. I can't get my words out. But so I do really like this. It feels really nice on the lips. But I am going to take this off so I could show you the rest that I was going to show you earlier. So I just have a little cotton swab here, or cotton pad, and I'm just going to take this off and then show you the next one. So this one here is the color, what is this color? This is the Sweet Violet. So here you go, Sweet Violet. Again, I'm going to take it out or open it up and show you. Oh, these stickers are just annoying. So that is what the color looks like. I'll take it a little more. So this looks like a really pretty color. I'm just going to put it down so I'm afraid I'm going to break it if I have it out too far. So let's just try it. Do you guys see any difference? I really don't see too much of a difference, honestly, if I'm being honest. But still going close. This is what this one looks like. And the last one here is a lot lighter. This is called Pink Blossom. And I'll just go ahead and open this one up to show you. I gotta say, all these colors are really pretty though. I like any pink tones. So I'll just go ahead, apply it. So do you see that any different? I don't really see much difference, honestly, but they really do feel nice on the lips, and I'm going to keep one of these on today. I'm just not sure which one, or one of the Dr. Paw Paws I'm going to show you next, because super cold out, dries my lips out instantly. So that is the 3 that I have for the Burts Bees. And if you haven't seen, I did an advent calendar with Burts Bees, and I tried one of them on, and even that color, and that one didn't have a color on my lips. It was a cranberry. It was very, like, these ones are actually darker than that. I haven't seen that video. It was a really fun video to make. There was 12 different chapsticks or lip balms that came in that advent calendar, and it was just really fun to unbox. I'll go ahead and show you these ones here. These are the Dr. Paw Paw. The first one I have here is the Hot Pink Balm. And these do actually tell you what they're good for other than just a lip balm. This says it's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. It says you can use it for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tin, and it's fragrance free. I'm not going to use these on my cheeks, but I will go ahead and put this on my hand to show you what it looks like as a cheek color would, I suppose. So this is what this color looks like. And again, this is the hot pink. I'm going to try it on my lips first. And that's feels really good. And yeah, that is really nice. That feels so nice on the lips. But I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. I suppose if you want to use it as a cheek color, I wouldn't. But so that's what it looks like. And I just don't like using these kind of balm textures or any. I just only use powder for a blush or anything like that on like bronzer, anything like that. I only use powder products for me. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then I'll take the lipstick off, or the lip balm, as much as I can anyhow. So the next one I have here is the Rich Mocha Balm. So that's what this one looks like. And so that's what it looks like out of the packaging. And the first time to use this, it's really hard to get it out. So this is the color. So I'm just going to try it. And honestly, that doesn't look bad. I was a little nervous because it was brown, but it doesn't look terrible. And I'll just go ahead. I suppose this one you would use as a bronzer, if anything else. But so that's what it looks like. Again, not something I would use as a bronzer. It does feel like a really nice hydrating lotion though. So it does feel good. It is soothing and it feels really good on the lips as well. And I have one more. And it's this color here. This is the Tinted Peach Pink Balm. So that's what it looks like. And without taking it out, that's what it looks like. But I'll go ahead and take it out. That's what the color looks like. So I'm just going to try it on my lips. And I'm glad I only see the pink in this, because I wouldn't want to look like I have orange lips. I was a little afraid of that, honestly. So the color for this looks like that. So it would be pretty as a peach blush, I suppose, but I don't think it would ever dry down, because it feels like a Vaseline would, or, you know, an oil, maybe a body oil. So I wouldn't go ahead and do that, but I would be afraid how it would look by the end of the day. That's just me. I only use powder products, but so that's all I have to tell you and show you today. I think these are going to be really fantastic. I'm glad I have these. And as far as which ones I'm going to like better, I can't tell you right now. They both feel really nice on the lips. I really enjoy them. But so these, of course, are the ones that I bought. I got these from Marshall's. I think TJ Maxx at one time had these too. And then these, I believe they sell at Target, but I got these at Marshall's, of course, as well. And out of these colors, I guess I'll go ahead and tell you, honestly, they all look the same once you put it on. But they don't really have any that I could tell, like any scent or any taste, anything like that. So really nice. And moisturizing feels really good. Same with these. I think they're really good, really moisturizing, and something that I'm going to use on a daily basis. I'm not a lipstick girl anymore. I do have some I really do want to use up. I just can't find myself ever wanting to put them on. So maybe I'll put those into my project pan this next time, just to get them out. But if you enjoyed watching, I hope you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.